Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful coat. I'm planning to use it for my bag as a back strap, shoulder strap. But if you've got some other idea how to use this coat, please let me know in the comments. I'm in the process of making bag, so if you hit subscribe button and notification bell, you may see this bag full tutorial. So this is the coat we are using today. It's a very distinctive stitch and it is very easy. And I will be using today hook 4 millimeters, and this polyester coat. Don't know the name of it, I just had it in my stash. Lovely, like a rose color, dusty rose. To start the coat you will need to leave rather long tail. Let's start it. I would say you leave maybe a meter. Start this and maybe measure amount of the coat you've got out of it. It would be around this much. So if you need the strap around 2 meters, you will measure it accordingly. I will show you how to do this coat. We will start with slip knot. Like this, and then you need to take the hook out, insert from the other side, move it, yarn over, pull through. Again, take the hook out, insert from the other side, move your braid, clockwise, anti-clockwise, the same way, and use the other tail. Again, reinsert your hook, move the braid, use the other tail, yarn through, and repeat these sections. Always reinsert the hook from outside, move the braid the same way, and use alternative and pull those stitches slightly to make it nice and neat. Just watch how I do it and then repeat this video straight away, that you remember this. Don't forget to save this video. This is very short video, but I'm sure it is very useful little video. You need to save it. If you click save button or watch it later, you can always find this again. I didn't see many YouTube videos with this stitch. And if you look on this, it is kind of like 3D dimension. It is like circle stitch. Reinsert, twist, and use the other end. This just got twisted, but if you cut the end required length, you can always untwist it. I like to pull this stitch slightly to make it neat. And so like that you just keep going, and it will be this lovely cord to use anywhere you prefer.